First up, the implementation for the demerit point system has been pushed back.
Speaking at this morning's post-cabinet press briefing, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz revealed that more time is needed for a comprehensive traffic management system.
Jamaica Maitland explains.
From a grand announcement to the possibility of a missed deadline, Minister of Transport Daryl Vaz says the work to implement the demerit point system has started. However, following a multi-stakeholder consultation, it could mean that the October 1 start date may be delayed.
This stakeholder group that is going to navigate now to come up with a practical solution. So what we have is something that's in theory sounds good, but I talk straight. It's almost impossible, if not impossible, to do what needs to be done in the time that it needs to be done with the resources that are available.
Minister Vaz, who was speaking at post-cabinet press briefing on Wednesday, says the number of outstanding traffic tickets, volume of paperwork, and lack of digitization of court records, coupled with the current traffic tickets, have become major challenges in the traffic management system.
If we were to have a dedicated location for court every day, similar to what we did at the arena, even that, I can't put a timeline.
Now, according to the police, enforcement activities have also increased. There have been more speeding tickets issued, more breathalyzer tests done, and more warrants executed for the first half of 2026 compared to the similar period last year. The issue, they say, lies with compliance.
The Court Administration Division says between January 1, 2018 and January 1, 2026, there are 1.2 million outstanding traffic tickets valued at 4.5 billion Jamaican dollars. Data from the police reveal that for the first 6 months of 2026, 438,711 traffic tickets have been issued. Minister Vaz reasoned that even if government grants an amnesty, it still wouldn't solve the issue of compliance.
It's a mindset that needs to change, because the fact of the matter is that the demerit system, point system, is something that is implemented specifically to do exactly what you just said, to give people confidence that they are on safe roads and that if they misuse the roads, that there is penalties and sanctions.
The demerit point system is like a report card for motorists. Every time a motorist receives a traffic ticket, they not only pay a fine, but they could lose privilege. They rack up points where applicable. However, these points have no loyalty. If a motorist gets between 10 and 13 points, they're required to complete defensive driving or speeding danger trading. Receive 14 to 19 points, you can be subjected to retesting and a driver disqualification. Accumulating 20 or more points result in an immediate and a strict license suspension by a judge. Points remain on your record but expire after 15 months if the motorist's license is not suspended.
It cannot be that what obtains on the roads today go without any sanctions. And those sanctions must include demerit points that take persons off of roads to allow for safer roads for those who use our roads.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.